Okay, let's try to solve this problem. Given the given data is a solar panel is given with the parameters of open circuit voltage is equal to 20 volts and the short circuit current is equal to 4 amps and the maximum voltage generated by the solar panel at MPPT is 16 volts and current is 3 amps. He is asking us, you try to develop an array which consists of open circuit voltage of the array is 40 volts and the maximum voltage of the array is how much? 32 volt system. Okay, so now how to calculate the number of solar panels required in series connection? What is the formula? So we have the formula, the maximum voltage of the array is equal to number of panels connected in series multiplied with the maximum voltage of the panel. What is the panel voltage given? Each panel is of how many volts? 16 volts. Okay, so Ns into what is the V maximum voltage given in the problem? 16 volts. And what is the maximum array voltage given in the problem? 32 volts. 32 volts. So I want Ns 32 volts divided by how much? 16 volts. That is equal to Ns. How much? 16 ones are, 16 twos are. So how many panels you are going to have? You are going to have two number of panels connected in series connection. Now we want to draw the circuit diagram of this problem. So how to draw the circuit diagram? The equivalent symbol of an solar panel is like this. Okay, you have to draw a rectangle and you have to indicate like this, and one terminal is positive and one terminal is negative. So this terminal I am taking it as a positive terminal and this terminal I am taking it as negative terminal. Similarly, what is the rating of the solar panel? Let us take this is an 100 watt peak solar panel. So what is the maximum voltage? Vm is equal to how much? 16 volts. Im is equal to how many amperes? 3 amperes. Now how many panels are connected in the series as per the given problem? 2 panels. Okay, I am going to draw a one more panel. So this is the symbolic representation of an panel, and here you are going to have two terminals. One is positive terminal, one is negative terminal. So what is the rating of this panel? So this is an 100 watt peak panel. This is also an 100 watt peak panel where maximum voltage is equal to 16 volts, maximum current is equal to 3 amperes. And what kind of connection we have to exhibit here? Series connection. How to do the series connection? The negative terminal is connected to the positive terminal. What is the resultant voltage you are going to get? One negative terminal and one positive terminal. This is negative terminal and positive terminal. Okay, so what is the array voltage given in the problem? V maximum array. So what is the operating voltage of the system? V maximum of the array is equal to how much? 32 volts. So I can see here, this is current will start flowing in this positive terminal, will flow across the negative terminal and will flow across the positive and it will come back. Yes or no? So what is this maximum current? 3 amperes. So the 3 amperes flows into this 100 watt panel and comes out of this panel and resultant to this how much? Current is constant. I can say that how much amount of current is flowing? 3 amperes current is flowing. Okay, so now the maximum current of the array is how many amperes? 3 amperes. Coming to the voltage, how much is the voltage? 16. What is the voltage here? 16. 16 plus 16, 32 volts. What is the current? So this current is called as the maximum current of the array. Now let's try to calculate what is the power rating when you connect these two panels in series. The maximum power of the array, is equal to V maximum of the array into I maximum of the array. What is V maximum of the array after calculating? 32 volts. multiplied with what's the maximum current of the array? 3 amps. Multiply it. How much? 96 watts. Okay, so you can see here the maximum power output of this array is how much? 96 watts. Since they are connected in series, what is multiplied? You can see here how this 32 is written. This is nothing but 16 volts each panel of how many number in series? 2 numbers in series. 16 volt system, each panel, how many in series? 2 in series will constitute how much? 32 volts. And what is the current? 3 amperes. Therefore, what is the maximum power of the array? 96 volts. This is how to draw the circuit diagram or how to identify the number of panels connected in which connection? Series connection. Now, how many panels are connected in series? 2 panels are connected in series with an array voltage of 32 volts, array current of 3 amperes, and maximum voltage of the array is how much? 96 watts. Okay, this is how to solve the problem.